Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Chef Busui.
And today we're going to be doing an healthy egg wrap. You need cabbage, you need carrots, you need half bulb of red onion and 3 cloves of garlic. You need 5 eggs. You need frozen vegetables. You could use sweet corn, chickpeas, quarter cup each. You could also use some carrot. You need avocado oil, the healthier choice. Then you need your whole wheat bread. So let's start by grating some carrots. Mince your garlic finely. Dice your onions. Shred your cabbage. You are also free to use any vegetable of your choice. You could use mushrooms and spinach. Crack your eggs and separate egg yolks from white, but leave only one yolk in the white. So you have 4 egg whites and 1 whole egg. You wouldn't be using the rest of the egg yolks. You could make that into mayonnaise. I'll show you that in another video. So these are the spices you could use. Put your frying pan on the fire and then add a glob of avocado oil. Once it's heated, add in your garlic first and then your onion. Then saute it briefly. Add in the rest of the vegetables and let them caramelize. Fry for about 30 seconds, stirring occasionally. Add in your spices at this point. Quarter teaspoon of curry, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of whole oregano, and quarter teaspoon of organic no sauce seasoning. Half teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning. Stir them all together and then keep aside in a bowl. Clean your fry pan and set it back on fire. Whisk your egg well. Add a pinch of salt. I use this brand in particular because I discovered that it has 66% less sodium than regular sea salt and other kinds of salt. So once the pan is hot, pour in the egg and ensure it covers the base of your pan. Cover with a lid for about 30 seconds and then add in your sauteed vegetables. Once you've added the vegetables, you can flip the egg, cover it on the side. You have to be very careful to avoid you breaking the egg for the sake of presentation. If it breaks, it's all good. Just ensure you use the other wrap to wrap it up well. After this is done, cover up with a lid for another 20 seconds. Then your egg is fully cooked. Toast your whole wheat bread for 2 minutes. Remove the egg from the fire and serve with the whole wheat bread. Breakfast is ready. Some healthy egg wrap with whole wheat bread.